Hi, hello and welcome. This is a verification explanation video for Scan Me add-on. Scan Me add-on can be used to go through your Google Drives, create a report in your spreadsheet very easily. It will have all the informations such as file names, folder name, file ID, folder ID, location, who has access to those files, when did you share it, when did you create it, and such information. To do so, the add-on needs different permissions from the user, and some of them are sensitive scope and one of them restrictive scope. So the first one is script.sendEmail. This scope is required because the app sends the notification to the users using mailapp.sendEmail, which is the method provided by Google Apps Script. And to use this method, we need the scope script.send_mail is displayed here. The second one is auth/script.scriptapp. The add-on can run in the background without interrupting users, so user can just go along with their own work and they don't have to wait for the add-on to complete the functions. That's why the scope uses auth/script.scriptapp permission. The third one is script.external_request. The add-on has its own database in a separate Google Drive in a separate spreadsheet, and we store very basic information such as name, location, email, and such. And the app uses URL fetch app method provided by Google Apps Script to request information in our database, and this method requires script.external_request as being displayed here. The fourth one is auth/spreadsheet. As mentioned previously, the Scan Me add-on scans through the Google Drive and prepares the report in a spreadsheet of the user's choosing. And obviously, to do so, we need to edit the spreadsheet, update the information, create new spreadsheet tabs like scanned folders, scanned files is being displayed here. That's why we need this scope. And the last one is the restrictive scope, auth/drive. So as I explained earlier, the core theme of this app is to scan through the Google Drive of the customers and report the details of such content such as file names, size, location, link, access rights, permissions, etc. into the Google Sheets. For that, we have to use the method driveapp.getFolders and driveapp.getFiles. And these two methods needs one of these following scope. Either we have to use auth/drive.readOnly, or we need auth/drive, both of which are sensitive scope. But we have chosen the latter one, which is auth/drive, because there is another case in our add-on where we need this permission. That's why we're instead of read-only, we're using auth/drive. And since the core theme of the add-on is to scan through all the drives and fetch the information, we have to use driveapp.getFolders and driveapp.getFiles, and we need to use this feature. That's why we need this scope. And in another case where we need this file is that in the premium feature, one of the premium feature for this add-on is to find the duplicate files in the Google Drive and allow the owners of this drive to delete them. And to do so, to delete any file, we need setTrust method, and that method requires the auth/drive scope. That's why we need this scope, but I want to reassure that we don't have any method, any ways as an add-on owner, as an admin, to delete the files and folders of our users, of our subscribers from the backend. Delete feature is only available through the front end of our add-on while the owner of the app uses it. We do not use this scope to steal any information from the users or do some marketing or any other illegal activities. So I hope this explanation was clear enough for the verification. Thank you for watching.